Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So today what I'm on with is the van again. I'm going to be building some racking in the back to hold these boxes and things here, so hopefully keep the van nice and organised. So what I've done is I've made some cardboard templates there. That's roughly how I'm wanting the shelving. I'm going to leave this space. There's obviously going to be some ply across the bottom there, and this will be cut out here so I can slide like the levels and things like that in there. But that's basically the gist of it. So now I've made the cardboard templates, I'll start cutting out of ply. What I'm going to have is this pack out drill holder, is hopefully going to fit on the back there. And then basically I'm going to have, I think it's 3 of these crates, 3 of these, and 3 of these cases. I think that's about everything. That should hold the majority of my gear in the back there. So here's where we're at the minute. I've cut my bits of ply, I've got them in just roughly, just got a couple of screws, hold them along the front there and screwed down this wheel arch. I removed the top. That piece there was the original piece that was on top of this, but I knocked that off just to save. It's only 9mm thick, but 9mm is 9mm. It might get us that little bit extra room up here. It didn't need to be on, so I've knocked that off. Plenty of space in there. Yeah, it's just all sort of propped in position, couple of screws. So I need to nip and get some more plywood. I haven't got quite enough out of that 8x4 sheet. I've just got a little bit here left at the minute, but I should be able to get 3 shelves there for the crate. Well, sorry, 2. I only need 2, don't I? Yeah, 2 shelves there, that's right, for 3 crates. 2 shelves. Yeah, I've got enough in that ply to get 2 shelves, but I haven't got enough to get me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little shelves in there for these organisers. So I'm going to pop out and get another little sheet, just a half sheet or whatever. I think it's about a 6 foot by just over 2 foot sheet, and then that should sort them shelves out. I think I'm going to step I'm going to step this in like that, because I need to buy, well, I've ordered off Amazon the mounting plate. There's like a plate that goes on and they clip on. I was just going to bolt this direct, not bother with a plate, but it'll be handy to be able to unclip it. And this pack out stuff, it all unclips. Because the problem I've got, when I put my cardboard template in there, I tried sliding this sheet, this 8x4 sheet, because now and again I like to carry an 8x4 sheet. I can just get one in at an angle there, but not if I've got this on the back there. I can't quite, so if that's removable, I can just clip that off if I do need to carry a 8x4 sheet, and then it will just slide in there. It's a little bit awkward. It's not quite as much room as the school door. I think I can get about 7 or 8 sheets like that in the school door. I think I'll probably only get 2, possibly 3, but I very rarely need sheets, so, but it's there if I do. So anyway, I'll nip out, get another sheet of ply, and then get cracked on. Just thought I'd show you this little bit what I'm doing now. What I'm doing here, here's the panels back out. I'm just routing grooves in there where the shelves are going. I'll just show you on this one. That's the middle panel, that's where the shelves are going. So imagine this was the shelf. They'll sit in that. It just gives it a bit extra support, so it's not relying on just the screws to hold it. I've just put about, I think it's about 3mm deep, 12mm wide rebate in there, so that should make it a lot stronger. So this is where we're up to now. I've got the shelves in there, they're just slotted in loosely. Everything's just clamped up. That's pretty much where it needs to be. So I think what I'm going to do is take it all to bits, get it all painted, and then start building it all up properly. There's Maddie Cat getting in the way again. There she is. Yep, so that's the plan. Get that all to bits, get it painted, and then all built up properly, pretty much there. So this is where we're at with it now. I'll get these doors open, we'll have a look. looking pretty good. Got a few bits to do still. I need to get something like some strips of some sort to put along here to stop these boxes from sliding out, just so I can lift them up and over the top. A few extra screws, I need to put some brackets of some sort to secure the top of this back to the van, both sides, but pretty much it. I need to move that socket. We've got a 12-volt socket down here. I'm going to move that to the other side. There's a little panel there that'll fit directly in, so then this charger will plug in. This is ideal. I don't know if you remember, but what I said about if we put an 8x4 sheet in, that's going to have to be removable. So I'll see if I can do this one-handed. Nope. Nah, see what I'll do. I'll just stand this camera down. I can't quite get hold of it. See if you can see there. So we can just unclip that like that out the way, and then an 8x4 sheet will go straight in there. So yeah, ideal. Very happy with it.